In this class of GSM, we will be studying about BTS. So, BTS as base transceiver station. The term transceiver means that this equipment can transmit as well as receive. So that means this is used for transmission as well as reception. Now BTS is base transceiver station. It controls the number of mobile stations. It is basically a hardware. Now this BTS is attached to tower. On that tower we have antennas attached. So antennas are radiating a frequency or information to number of mobile stations. So that means signals from mobile station or speech signal from mobile station will be transferred via antenna to BTS. Now BTS is a unit which is attached to base station controller. So that means today in our class we will study whole BTS functions. Now where it is placed? This BTS is placed in a room which is known as shelter room. As BTS has a number of cards, those are used for processing, so it radiates heat. So for maintenance of heat, we have a air conditioner attached so that its temperature will be moderate or maintained. So in a shelter room we have a BTS as base transceiver attached who is ultimately controlling the antennas to carry our signals. So this equipment we will study, that means what are the functions of BTS. So let's start with functions of BTS. So the very first function that it transmit or receive signals from mobile unit. That means okay, as it is a transceiver, so it is transmitting or receiving signals from mobile station. Is it transmitting signals and it is receiving signal? This one is my mobile station. So no doubt it is attached. We have an antenna, but the controller with it is BTS. So it is transmitting signals as well as it is receiving signals from mobile station. This becomes the very first function of BTS. That means it is used for transmission and it is used for reception. Now next function is signals are encoded. That means signal transmitted via antenna are encoded. So signals are first encoded, that means encrypted, that means providing a protection, multiplexed, encoded, encrypted, multiplex, modulated. And after all these, they are fed to the antenna system. That means all of these functions of encryption, encoding, multiplex and modulation, these are all functions are performed by BTS. Now we require that my mobile station to be synchronized with BTS. I want that my mobile station should be timely synchronized with this BTS. So this BTS is radiating frequency for communication as well as time for synchronization. So frequency and time will be controlled by a channel like FCCH and SCH. Frequency connection control channel as well as synchronization channel. So that means this is also a function that means to make a system synchronized as well as to radiate a frequency so that communication will be possible, will all be the functions of BTS. After that, received signal, that means signals from BSC, those who are received by BTS. So received signals are decoded, that means the reverse process, decoded, decrypted, demultiplexed, or I can say demodulated. All of these functions of transmission and reception are performed by BTS. So these are all the functions of BTS in GSM cellular systems. Now what is BTS? As BTS is a hardware, so its total hardware, that means a BTS is divided into three categories, or I require in BTS system 3 units. So BTS system unit requires our coupling system. The very first system which is required in BTS is coupling system. Then we require TRX and another is CBCS. Now CBCF is compact base common function. So coupling system TRX and this CBCS as compact base common function. Now why these are required? Coupling system, that means coupling systems are required to connect antenna system. Coupling system are required to connect antenna system with TRX and separate transmitter and receiver path. That means with the help of coupling system only we are connected to antenna so that we can separate our transmission as well as reception path. Now this TRX, that why TRX are required? These are required to process radio signals. So processing of radio signals is there in our TRX cards. Now compact base control function, it performs controlling functions. So all of these controlling functions, so it perform controlling functions, multiplex speech and user data signaling. So it is used for multiplex speech and signaling and forward to BSC, because it is required that BTS forward all information to BSC. That's why it is the system has been divided like this. So let's make hardware of BTS. So I will draw here a BTS. So this being the BTS, so here I have the mobile station. So BTS is attached to antenna. Let's see, this is antenna. It is radiating. So controller is here. So mobile station, that means this interface is air interface. Now we require to connect this BTS with BSC. So this interface is a BIS interface. So we have these interfaces defined. Now let's find out path in this. So I have here this one as my coupling system. Then I require TRX here at this end, that means trans receiver. And then we have BSCF, that means base common control function. Or I can write this as CBCF or BCF. So CBCF, common base control function, base common or common base control function. So common base control function. So I have organized the units like this. So I have attached to the antenna attached to this coupling system. Then I have TRX and role functions. So this is how my BTS is organized, that I have all the path, that means I will get the signals from this. So I will separate the path for transmission and reception so that I can forward to BSC. I have trans receivers, that means processing of radio signals, and then I have control functions, that means who is multiplexing user data, adding signaling, and transmission will all performed by this. Like this my system, that means I require 3 basic unit in my BTS. So to provide 3 basic units or to connect these are basically the cards. That's why known as BTS cards. And we usually that BTS TRX cards, because TRX cards, that means those who are transmit have a capability to transmit as well as receive. So if this is my BTS system, all the functions of the BTS has been performed by all these entities, from transmission to reception as well as processing and controlling is all performed by 3 basic units. So I can say that each and every BTS should require coupling system, TRX and control function, that means base common or common base control function units. And each and every unit of a BTS has a cards in it, that means electronic components, those who are used for processing. That's why name it as BTS cards. Now BTS are divided into shelves like shelf 1, shelf 2, shelf 3. So on that shelf I have these cards. So if I draw, this is a hardware component description. So this shelf will be CBCF, this shelf will be trans receiver, and above all will be the coupling system. Like this my BTS system or my BTS hardware is organized. So in today's class of GSM, we have studied about BTS cards, BTS functions as well as BTS control system. This is all for today's class. We will continue with BSc in our next class. Thank you so much.